Hello everyone, welcome to 2X Gen Collectors. We are going to do some unboxing today.
We are. Wait, what shirt are you wearing?
OH!
Oh no. Oh no, we're going to lose some viewers.
Oh no.
Sorry.
I had to represent today.
Yes.
It's been a couple years.
What a game.
It was a great game.
Yes.
I slept right through it.
So, that will be fun to go through.
Today has been fun already. We decorated our Christmas tree. We went and got a Christmas tree.
Yep.
And
Went to
decorated
church
it.
this morning, then got a tree, then decorated the tree.
I might have a little glitter on me.
Yes.
I mean,
And-
we know my hair is like, woohoo!
And then we're going to unbox some Hot Wheels. Couldn't be a better day.
Oh, you know what?
What?
Else? We did a little eBay sale, and so we've been selling tons off. Today has been fun already. We decorated our Christmas tree. We went and got a Christmas tree.
Yep.
And
Went to
decorated
church this morning, then got a tree, then decorated the tree.
I might have a little glitter on me.
Yes.
I mean,
And-
we know my hair is like, woohoo!
And then we're going to unbox some Hot Wheels. Couldn't be a better day.
Oh, you know what?
What?
Else? We did a little eBay sale, and so we've been selling tons off of eBay.
Oh,
2X
how long
Gen
does that
Collectors.
last?
It will be over after tomorrow. So,
After Monday?
yeah.
Okay,
I
so...
have it through the end of Monday. So
Okay, so this video is going to go up Monday at 4.
you have a
So
little bit of time.
A little bit of time to hit the eBay store for some extended Black Friday deals.
Yeah. Well, Cyber Monday, so I had to do it on Cyber Monday.
True.
So,
Forgot
and I
about
am
Cyber.
going to try to get some more things added. I'm working on the classics we got.
All right, well, let's jump in.
Let's do it. All right, here we go.
Starting with,
Ooh, I don't know.
it's pop culture.
Oh, it's pop culture.
I'm spoiling it for everybody.
I love pop culture. If y'all are new here, you don't know, but David and I are huge pop culture fans. So, here we go. What is that? The Rugrats? Sorry, it was the first one I saw. I know it's in the middle, but I couldn't help it. Look! It's the Reptar Wagon Rugrats. Are there two of those? Two of those.
It's 2 of everything.
Two. I really like him. It's a cool one. Oh, the Matrix.
They brought that back. I love that Lincoln.
I
That's
did too.
another casting that I collect is 64 Lincolns.
Yes, he does. And I just cracked one of these on Friday. I think they're so sexy. Look at it. Okay, there's 2. We have to look at both. Ooh, what's
Dun, dun,
this?
dun. The big boy.
Oh, the R34. That card art is amazing.
They did it right.
Is this what people have been asking about? Do you have the Godzilla Skyline? And
Yep.
I'm like, no, I don't have it.
Yep.
This is
That's
what.
it.
I wonder what's on my
So now we have 6 of them.
6 of them. That card art is just as cool as the car. Wow. So we have 6 of these
Yep.
because we have 3 boxes of this.
Yes.
Woo, yes. You know how fast those are gonna go? Super fast. Super. Batman. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun, Batman. I like the card art. You know what? I like the other Batman card art a little better, but I like that this one's purple. Purple. Oh my gosh, they're in there so tight.
That's what she said.
I
Batman the
did
Animated
just say
Series.
it.
I know. And then Stranger
Oh,
Things.
Landon and I just watched this while he was home for Thanksgiving. When he comes home for Christmas, we'll get to watch a few more episodes, I guess. That is pretty sweet. It is a 1983 BMW 733i, whatever that is.
Beamer.
BMW. Whoo, way. I like her. I really like it.
Next is the International B case. And we're going to go kind of an unboxing, car by car.
Oh, I like that idea.
Hoping for a super, obviously.
I would love a super.
But there are some really amazing castings in this B case.
Okay, I have to close my blade. We don't want me to hurt myself. You know how it can happen. Can I start at the very top?
Yep. Start at the top. One.
Ooh, she's pretty. That pink with the black.
Is that a mark?
It is a purple passion.
Purple
and
passion.
She is beautiful. Gosh, look. Ooh, sorry. How about this way? Better?
Yep. Nice.
Wow. Oh, the pass and go. We got to keep one of these for Landon for Christmas. He loves Monopoly. Maybe I'll give one to Seth too. Seth loves Monopoly. Okay. Ooh, the Hemi Challenger. You know why I like it? It's got orange. Oh, a drift box. How about the Mustang Mach-E 1400? This one, oh my gosh, what is it? An instant boost? Is it a coffee cup? Ooh, the Kit car. Kit, Knight Rider. That's pretty. Barbie, a dream camper. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. 59 Chevy Impala. That is really sweet. They did really good with that one, those wheels. How about an Extreme? Look at the gold twin mill, David. Gold and red, and it is the Braille card.
Nice.
What's up? Hey, dude, what's up? I know, y'all don't need that on my commentary. Looks like we have an Optimus Prime coming out of there. Optimus Prime. A 24/7. David's on 24/7, I swear he is. 47 Chevy Fleetline. What do you think of those colors? That is pretty sick. I like it. 20 Jeep Gladiator. We got the bikes. That is neon green. I like it. RD06.
That's a banger there.
69 Dodge Charger. Woo. Daytona. Look at that fin. She's got a wang. Another one of those. RD06. It is a metal base.
Yep.
We have this Gordon, how do you say that? Moray? Moray?
Sure.
Moray? I don't know.
It's amore.
It's amore. Porsche. Ooh, that white Porsche is sweet. Look how they did the white on the wheels. That is really clean looking. Ooh, another Mach-E Mustang. It's a rolling toaster, roller toaster. Do you know the toast goes up and down, guys? So cute. Oh my gosh. High-tailed chaser. It has a wang. Look at it. That's pretty. It's different. I like the bottom. I like the color. A Roger Dodger. I love a good Roger Dodger. I think I just like it when engines stick out the top. Batmobile. That's a nice Batmobile. Carbonator. 2026 Carbonator. Yeah. 69 Dodge Charger Daytona again. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've been waiting to see this. The Black Widow. Oh my gosh. Can we talk about her a little bit? What part of her do we want to look at first? Ooh. Oh my gosh. She is amazing.
Black Widow.
What do y'all think? You like her? I like her. How about a 5 alarm in purple? Purple. Monster High. Monster High. A Diora. Where's XJ? Track Ripper. Track Ripper. This one's cracked, but it is a sweet 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Can I crack it open since it's cracked? Look at that one.
Go ahead, crack it.
Yes. Had a cracked blister, guys. Oh my gosh, look at her.
I love that gray.
Oh, with the orange, it pops. It is so sick. Look at
Wow.
that. I love. Ooh, another one of those Impalas. Gotta love that Impala. And a Hollerback. Hollerback Girl? Is that what the song was?
I ain't no hollaback girl.
That's what that is.
All right, let's get into the second layer.
Oh my gosh. Fingers crossed, guys.
The Super is it's a Mustang.
It's a Mustang?
Yep. Don't be peeking in there.
I can't even see where I'm supposed to go to. It's so high. That Lambo's nice. 2016 Lamborghini in yellow. She's pretty. Wow.
Oh, not the Super.
Mainline to the Super. She's pretty though. Oh, she has a pony on the license plate. Did you see that?
Yep.
It's really hard to see.
The Super Treasure Hunt has TH on the license plate.
Oh. Ooh,
There
that
it
Ferrari. That is really pretty, that blue. SF90. I like the color, the paint on it's really sweet.
Yeah, this is such a good box.
You know me. Gotta have some coffee. Let's have some coffee. Got another Gladiator. This one's messed up. Y'all want to crack it too? Nope, I fixed it. Another one.
Wow.
Ooh, the Type R is pretty. I really like, they did a lot with those different white on the wheels, and it really is clean. This one does have a J-hook issue, and this does happen. It's a little floppy. Porsche 911 in gray. Ooh, she's pretty. A drift box, again, I really like the polka dots. What's this? McCurdy? I don't know. McMurdy? McMurdy.
McNerdy.
McNerdy. It's cool though. It's a different looking little thing. Oh, Maserati. What do you think of that? Do you like it? I wish it had red butt lights. It is really sweet though. I like the top. Look, it has a stripe on the top. How about a Batmobile? The Batman Batmobile. We have another, ooh, we did not do this yet. It's a Zonda. It's a Pagani Zonda.
Tuned.
Tuned. It is tuned.
New for 2026.
It's fun. It has red wheels on it with the little red stripe. I really do like that Fleet Lines colors. I do. Mazda, Miata. Look at the pink on there. That's a cool with that little pop of pink. Really sweet. A Drift Ender. David, what's a Drift Ender?
That was the treasure hunt for the A case. So that's the main line to the Super.
So David and I both really like this bounce and base. We just like the colors. Look with the purple base, those gold wheels. I just thought it was a nice one. Another Ford Mustang Shelby. You know I cracked that. Woo. David, it's the McLaren. Isn't that your team?
Nope.
Oh,
Mercedes.
Mercedes, shucks. Dodge Hemi Challenger. Batmobile. Two Drift Enders. We have the Cupra E-Racer. Here's another one of those. David called it a McNerdy. McNerdy. Oh, there's that Ferrari. I thought it was one per case. We got two.
Oh.
Organizing as we go. Dodge Viper.
That
Beautiful. That is your treasure hunt.
Yes. That is the regular.
It is very clean. Here again, they did the white on the wheels, which I'm really liking. I said it, and I'm probably going to say it way too many times, but very clean. Nice treasure hunt. Hightail Tracer. Here's another Pagani tuned. I really think this needs cracked. It is so cute. A Lamborghini. Man, Honda Civic Type R. This one does not have a J-hook issue, so that's good. A Bugatti. This is like a dark, dark blue, almost black. A Gordon. Porsche, the little white Porsche again. So I think we had two of those. And the Maserati, I think we have two of those. Look how, I like the black. Oh, we got two of these.
Yes.
Oh, two Black Widows. Solar Reflect. The Raging Express. There's the kitty cat from the, the kitty cat car. There he is.
We'll do a quick recap of what we got.
So this Porsche 911 in that really pretty gray. There's only one of those. There's only one Miata per case, which I liked it with the little touch of pink. That dark blue Bugatti, there's only one per case. The mainline to the Super, that Ford Mustang. And the treasure hunt, the Dodge Viper. So there are two Ferraris per case. So we got two Ferraris. The Honda Civic Type R, we got two of those. And we got two of the Black Widows. I like them. Let's just go a little zoom in. Sorry, David. The Lambo, two per case. Not bad. Ooh, yes, David pulled one I love. I just like them when they have wangs. The Daytona, two of them.
We have one more case, and we'll get into that one, see if we have a Super.
Yes, let's start. I'm over here laughing. Okay, guys, we are going in from the bottom.
We're looking for the Super.
We already went through one case, and we didn't want to bore you with a whole other case. Maybe you wouldn't be bored. Maybe you would. So we're just going to go dig in and look and see if there is a Super. See if we're lucky. So, no, that's a Maserati.
No, there it is. It's a pony.
It's just a pony.
Boo.
Oh, it doesn't even want to come out. It's so embarrassed.
No super.
No super. That's okay though. Because of this, we do have now 2 of the Dodge Viper treasure hunts, which I really like. So I'm excited about that. We forgot something. Look. So I really wanted to show you this. So how I said you could see through, so you could see through the kit car, because you can put a flashlight up there and it will light up the light across the front red. It also lights up the inside, which is really sick. It looks all red in there, but it has a red light. It's pretty cool. Just stick a flashlight under it. I promise you'll like it. That was a super fun unboxing, guys. I'm glad y'all were here with us.
Very happy with the pop culture
Oh, I love the pop culture.
release. A couple really nice castings in that. And then that B case.
The B case was really nice.
Yes.
They did good.
Yep. Sometimes cases, it's like, but there's a lot of good ones in that case. So we do have 2 cases. We talked in another video, we reduced our order. We used to get 5 mainline cases.
But that's because we were at
release.
the shop and people would come and shop them. So
Yep. So now we dropped it down to 2 mainline cases per release. So we have a few. Unfortunately, by the time this goes up, Amy will have already ran most of them
probably.
on whatnot. So
You know what they haven't had today?
What?
A dog view.
dog view.
Look
Oh,
how good they're being. Shh, don't talk about them.
usually they start acting a fool when we start recording. So
They've had a very busy day. We decorated the Christmas tree and that was hard work for them.
yeah. But it's been a very fun week.
It
I
has.
took a week off work.
It's been great having David around. We've gotten a lot accomplished.
Very busy with Thanksgiving and family and fun, and so good time. We appreciate everybody, all the
Yeah.
support and love. You
has
guys
been
have been
nice.
killing it.
It has been really nice. Don't forget to check us out on Whatnot, eBay.
Yep.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Where's the subscribe button?
Right over here.
Right over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Subscribe. Don't forget, you can even share it. Oh, and I saw this thing on there. You can give us a boost. Oh my gosh.
A goose?
A boost.
Oh, a boost.
They can boost us. And if you
You
boost.
can goose me if you want.
Okay. Guys, we got to go. We will see you real soon.
Uh-oh. You better point to where they subscribe again.
Right there.
There.
Right
All
there.
right.
Bye, guys.
Bye.